Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in the block window, you need to type this command as subc /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, then you have to hit enter. Now, this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize, but do not close the window. So once it is completed, then you just need to simply close out of here. Then go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Now the command is dism /online /cleanup image /restore health. It's dism /online /cleanup image /restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize. And here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. And once the process has been successful, then just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Here you'll find this option, reset this PC. Click on this button. But before you can go on with this process, make sure to back up everything. All your personal files, apps, and settings. Make sure to back up everything. Click on it. And you have to click on cloud download, and this will reset your PC, and after that you need to sign in again into your account, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.